With 21 liters of fuel tank capacity, cornering ABS, Ducati traction control, it has 6 driving modes, 202 kilograms of dry weight and curb weight of 223 kilograms. With front tire of 21 inches and rear tire at 18 inches, 6-speed 110 horsepower at 9,250 rpm with 937cc L-twin Ducati's liquid cool engine. This is Ducati DESERTX. It's the god of off-roading bikes. Starts at 17.91 lakhs Ex-Showroom India, and it has 24 months unlimited mileage warranty, and the service intervals are at 15,000 kilometers or 24 months. This is the walk around. Enjoy the video.